Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're as obsessed with cutting-edge tech as I am, you're gonna love today's video. Elon Musk just dropped two massive updates about Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus, and let me tell you, it's got the internet buzzing. From mind-blowing dance moves to some serious customer backlash, there's a lot to unpack here. So, grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's dive into what's got everyone talking about Tesla's humanoid robot. Alright, let's kick things off with the two big updates Elon Musk just shared about Optimus Gen 3. First up, Tesla's pushing hard on autonomy and dexterity. According to Musk, Optimus is now capable of performing complex tasks with 22 degrees of freedom. That's tech speak for super flexible hands and limbs that can move almost like a human's. We're talking about folding laundry, sorting objects, and even handing out snacks at Tesla's We Robot event last October. Pretty cool, right? The second update is about production timelines. Musk announced at Tesla's Q1 2025 all-hands meeting that the Fremont factory has already produced its first Optimus unit on the production line. Tesla's aiming to churn out 5,000 to 10,000 units by the end of 2025, with plans to ramp up to 50,000 units in 2026. That's like a Roman legion of robots, as Musk put it. These bots are initially for Tesla's internal use, like in their gigafactories, but Musk says they'll be available for other companies by 2026 and maybe even for home use by 2027. Now, here's the kicker: Musk claims Optimus could be 10 times bigger than any other Tesla product, including their cars. He's betting it'll transform industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and even help with household chores. But before we get too excited, let's talk about that viral dance video that's got everyone split. Optimus's dance moves, how did they do it? If you've been on X or YouTube lately, you've probably seen Optimus busting some serious moves. I mean, this robot was dancing, full-body choreography, smooth arm sways, and a heel-to-toe gait that looks straight out of a music video. It's wild. But how did Tesla pull this off? Here's the breakdown. According to Tesla's vice president of Optimus, Milan Kovac, the dance routines were entirely trained in simulation using something called reinforcement learning, or RL for short. Basically, Tesla created a virtual environment where Optimus practiced these moves over and over, learning from trial and error without ever stepping into the real world. Once the simulation was perfected, they transferred the training directly to the physical robot. Boom, first take, no hand-tuning needed. This is a big deal because it shows how advanced Tesla's AI is. They're not just programming every step, Optimus is learning to adapt its movements. Kovac even said on X that this sim-to-real transfer required significant improvements to their robot model, which will help with practical tasks like walking on uneven surfaces or navigating crowded spaces. But here's where it gets interesting. Some folks on X, like user P. Truby, are calling this bog-standard tech, saying other companies have done similar things. Others, like at Joshua Segerin, are hyped, pointing out that the zero-shot transfer, no extra training in the real world, is a game-changer. So, is this revolutionary or just a fancy demo? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I want to hear what you think. Why are customers unsatisfied? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Not everyone's impressed with Optimus. Despite the hype, there's a growing wave of skepticism, and some potential customers are straight up unsatisfied. So, what's the deal? First, there's the teleoperation controversy. At Tesla's We Robot event, Optimus was mingling with crowds, serving drinks, and even playing charades. Super impressive, right? Well, Bloomberg reported that many of those interactions were remotely controlled by humans, not fully autonomous. Tesla wasn't super transparent about this, which rubbed some people the wrong way. Critics argue it's misleading to show off a robot that's not as independent as it seems. Second, there's the utility question. A Tesla executive admitted during an earnings call that the biggest barrier is making Optimus actually useful. Sure, it can dance and walk, but can it reliably handle real-world tasks like assembling parts in a factory or helping at home? Some experts, like Christian Hubicki from Florida State University, say that while basic demos are achievable, ensuring Optimus meets customer expectations is a monumental challenge. Third, there's public skepticism about Musk's timelines. Tesla has a history of overpromising. Remember when Musk said Optimus would be ready by 2023? Yeah, that didn't happen. Posts on X even mention leaked bugs in Gen 3, though details are scarce. Combine that with concerns about cost estimated at $20,000 to $30,000, and potential buyers are wondering if Optimus will deliver value or just be a pricey toy. The bigger picture and what's next. So, where does this leave us? Let's zoom out. Optimus Gen 3 is undeniably ambitious. Its ability to learn tasks through observation, like watching videos and replicating actions, is a step toward true autonomy. Tesla's leveraging the same AI tech from their full self-driving system, which means Optimus could eventually navigate complex environments and handle over 1,000 tasks, according to Musk. But the dissatisfaction highlights a key challenge: balancing hype with reality. Tesla's pushing the narrative that Optimus will revolutionize everything, but they need to prove it with consistent, autonomous performance. The dance demo is a cool proof of concept, but customers want robots that can work reliably in factories, hospitals, or homes, not just steal the show at events. Looking ahead, Tesla's got big plans. They're aiming for full autonomy by 2026, with Optimus learning tasks independently through teleoperated training sessions, similar to how Tesla trains its self-driving cars. They're also working on reducing costs, with Musk hinting at a $10,000 price tag once production scales up. If they pull this off, Optimus could be a game-changer, addressing labor shortages and helping with tasks like caregiving for aging populations. And that's the full scoop on Tesla Bot Gen 3. From jaw-dropping dance moves to some serious customer concerns, it's clear Optimus is stirring up a lot. Roughly 15 minutes of pure tech drama. What do you think? Is Optimus the future of robotics, or is Tesla overhyping it? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-loving friends. Subscribe for more updates on Tesla, AI, and all things Elon Musk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.